Are you looking for a business you can start from home with no office, no inventory, and almost zero startup cost? A business that is in high demand in the USA, Canada, Australia, the UK, and across the developed world? Then this video is for you. Today, I will show you how to start your own digital marketing agency, even if you are a complete beginner. If you like profitable business ideas that anyone can start, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Now, let's begin. A digital marketing agency helps businesses grow online. You help clients get more customers, more traffic, and more sales. Your services may include social media marketing, Facebook and TikTok ads, Google ads, content creation, SEO, email marketing, brand design. Businesses need customers, and in this digital world, every business needs online marketing. Digital marketing is growing fast because businesses are moving online, competition is increasing, and companies are spending more on digital ads. In developed countries, small businesses, restaurants, gyms, salons, and e-commerce brands need marketing help. They are willing to pay $300 to $3,000 per month for the right agency. This means repeat income, long-term clients, and massive earning potential. Don't offer everything in the beginning. Start with one simple service. Choose any one: Facebook and Instagram ads, TikTok ads, Google ads, social media management, content creation, website SEO. Focus on one service first, then expand later. Choose a niche so you know who you're selling to. Example niches are restaurants, real estate agents, gyms and fitness coaches, dental clinics, home cleaning services, e-commerce brands. When you focus on one niche, your results become stronger. Learn from YouTube, Coursera, Skillshare, or Udemy. Practice on your own pages first. Once you know the basics, you're ready for your first client. You can charge in 3 ways: monthly packages, per project, or ad spend percentage. Beginner agencies can start at $300 to $800 per month. Experienced agencies charge $1,000 to $5,000 per client. Use these platforms: Facebook groups, LinkedIn, Instagram, Fiverr, or Upwork. Local businesses in your city. Offer the first client a discount or a free trial. Once you have results, use them as proof to get more clients. Be professional. Be on time. Communicate clearly. Show weekly reports and improvements. If clients trust you, they will stay for months and even years. Use tools like Canva, Trello, Google Workspace, Meta Business Manager. This is how you grow a real agency without burnout. 1 to 3 clients is $900 to $2,500 per month. 5 to 10 clients is $4,000 to $12,000 a month. 15 plus clients is full-time agency earning $15,000 plus per month. The more clients you manage, the more your income grows. And that is your complete guide to starting a digital marketing agency. This business is flexible, low risk, and high profit in all developed countries. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and comment your country below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.